Hello, welcome back. Episode 194. We're going to be using a timer to make a two-stage door. I think we can get some wool and we'll mark out a little door frame. Okay, this is where my door is going to go. In here. And it'll start here and then it'll slide back to here and then it'll slide off to the side so the player can go through. You can add more stages if you want. You can get a bit excited with it. We're just going to do 2 stages just to show you the example and how it works. So we need a setup. This is just going to be a timer objective. Scoreboard, objectives, add timer dummy. That's going to tell us when things should happen. I want a way to kill the doors. Remove door. So we will execute as any entity tag equals door at s run teleport same x very deep underground down you go. Okay, so that should kill the door. Now we want to create the door. This is a long command. It will be in the description as always, so you can have a look in there to see how it works, because it can be a bit confusing when it's all strung out in one long line. But basically we are going to summon an armor stand. Let's get some coordinates. Done. Here. Fill. Tab to tab. Copy. Okay, so that's where I want it to be. The first thing we have to do is just change these coordinates slightly. We want it to be at that level, so we have to go down a bit and we have to add on the magic number to get it to line up. So if you want it on 56, take 2 off, so 54, and then add on 0.5187. Now let's give it some information. Okay, it's going to have a tag and it's going to be a door. That's the tag we're going to give it. It's going to have no gravity. True, it's got no gravity. It's going to be invulnerable. True, it's invulnerable. And it's going to be invisible. True, it is invisible. And we want some passengers. Passengers. It's a list of passengers. We are going to have 1, 2 passengers. Okay, first passenger. ID Minecraft shulker, and it will have NoAI. True. It will be silent. True. It will have no gravity. True. It will be invulnerable. True. It will have tags. Same tag, door. Okay, after the tags, it will have DeathLootTable set to empty. After DeathLootTable, ActiveEffects, which is a list. We're going to have 1 active effect. Since we put that space there and the other passenger, we can see very nice and easily where the other passenger is going to go. It's going to go in there. Active effects, so we want invisibility 14. We'll have an amplifier. If we could type amplifier, we would. We'll have an amplifier of 0 because you're invisible, you're not. We'll have a duration, which will just give a stupidly high number to I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That'll do. Show particles, we don't want to see the particles. False. Okay, next passenger. In there, nice and easy. We've separated it, nice and easy. ID Minecraft falling block. Okay. No gravity. True. We need to give it a lifetime. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's going to count from minus that number up to 0 before it dies. That'll be a while. Does it drop its item? No, it does not. It's false. It needs a tag. tags door, and then we need to give it a block state. What block will it be? Name Minecraft. Well, we've used light grey wool, so we might as well use the same thing again. Light grey wool. Okay, that looks good. Let's try that. There it is. Okay, can we go through? No, we're hitting the shulker. Perfect. Does our kill command work? Remove door. Yes. Okay. Control middle mouse. Let's copy that. Put it down. Open it up. Make it a chain. Always active. Let's go to the beginning. And we'll just change that up one block to 55. Press done. Summon the door. Cool. Great. So we want the door in place before the player gets there, really, because it looks a bit strange as it appears. So we want them, as they're coming around the corner, we create the door now, they come round, there we go, the door's in place. Now we're going to have a couple of controllers to make it slide backwards and forwards. So let's put these here. This will be my first one. What we're going to do is scoreboard players, and we'll add to a fake player, we'll just call him door, makes sense, timer 1. Okay, so this is going to be needs redstone, repeat. We're not putting a lever on top this time, you notice. We always put levers on top, not this time. Let's just carry on. So this is going to be ticking up the timer. Execute if score door timer matches 41. So between 0 and 20 the door's going to slide back, and between 21 and 40 the door's going to slide left, and at 41 we're going to reset. 41 or higher, run set block, and we want to go backwards on the Z by 2. White wool replace. Done. So we just check. Have we said minus Z? No, we want minus Z. That should be that direction. So it should be 1, 2. It should put a white wool here. Let's have a look there. Negative Z, yeah. Is the sun going down? Why is that happening? We don't want that happening. Let's stop that. Sorry. Emergency. Game rule. Do daylight cycle. False. Time set. Midday. There we go. Left over from an old tutorial. So we're adding 1 to the timer. When the timer gets to 41 or higher, we're putting a white wall block there. That seems good. Now what we're going to do is put one here, and we're going to say scoreboard players reset door timer, and we'll make that conditional. So that will only work if that works. Now let's get ourselves a redstone block to test this. So we should, after about 2 seconds, turn into a white wool. Okay. Yep, that's doing its job. Nice. Okay, next command. So add 1. When you get to the end, reset. These 2 are the resets. So reset the stop the timer, reset the score. Right. Now let's push this door. I think that's what we want to do. Yeah, we want to push this door outwards, don't we? Okay. So we will execute if score door timer matches 0 to 20, run execute as any entity tag equals door at themselves, run teleport itself 1, 2, 3 0.05. Okay, done. Let's try that. Nice. Looks like it's lined up properly. Yeah, okay. Let's remove the door, put it back. And let's just copy this one. Control middle mouse, put it down. And let's make some changes. So let's go, this time, let's go over to that direction. Yeah, which is positive X. Okay. Let's take away the 0.05 there and put it 0.05. Put it there instead. And this time is the number equals 21 to 40. Done. Okay. Nice. Right. Now we want a way to just copy that so we can close it as well. So I'm just going to control middle mouse all of these. And let's put them here. Do it in a nice simple way. This one is conditional. Yeah. Okay, so our timer's running as normal. Now, what do we want to change? I suppose the first thing is we want to come this way first. So what we can do is we can just go in here and we can just change the numbers. We don't have to change the order. We can just change this from 0 to 20. End, and we'll change that to a minus. So if that one's 0 to 20, let's change that to a minus. This one becomes 21 to 40. Done. We need to get ourselves another redstone block. Hey, that's pretty good. So we can open it. Yeah, and we can, oops, I missed, and we can close it. Okay, let's set ourselves up a little button to control it. So we'll put that here. Let's get myself a sign, not really necessary, but door control, done. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to set block here, aren't we? Fill, tab, tab, tab. And we're just going to say set block there, redstone block, and it will default to replace, but I always type it anyway. Nice. Now, unfortunately, if we press that again, bye-bye, it's off. Well, we don't want that. So we're going to want a way. I think what we'll do is we'll change this command. That's what we'll do. Let's clear everything here. And we'll move these two just along one. So we'll take you and you. And we'll move you along one. And we'll take you and you. And we'll move you along one. Let's just check all the commands copied. Minus, yeah. Yeah, that looks all right. Okay, and let's get a fresh empty one. So if they click on this one, we want to change the command in there. So let's get the location of that block. Fill, tab, tab, tab. Copy. So we want first to make this conditional, so it only happens when the thing runs out. We want to data modify block, that block there. We want to modify its command. Done. Let's get the command that's already in there. Home, control copy. Done. And let's put that in there. And now we'll change this set block. And we'll change it to this 24, 56, 13. 24. Okay, so 24. Done. And then we'll copy that. And we'll put it here. Unconditional. And we'll change this one back to what it should be, which was 26. Okay. So add the timer. When the timer gets to the end, get rid of the unpower it, reset it, change the command to the other side. So let's have a look. That works. Okay, that didn't work. Let's find out why. Let's get rid of our door, put him back. Okay, there's something wrong at the end. Replace. What have we got wrong at the end here? Command. Set block 24. What doesn't it like? Data modify. Okay, let's try data merge instead. So we probably want to change you as well. Home. Merge in the data instead of modifying the data. Done. Open the door. There we go. Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Now, players can spam the button because all this is doing is setting a redstone block. So there's already a redstone block there. So even if they spam the button, it shouldn't break it. Nice. Okay, there we go. Got a nice little flush door which we can open. Watch it slide back and off to the side. And then slide to the side and slide forward. Cool. Okay. As I say, you can make as many stages as you like. It could open in crazy, fantastic ways. All up to you. All the commands will be in the description because we've got these long ones here which are a little bit confusing. And we did a modify instead of a merge here. So make sure you do check the commands in the description. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Take care.